Mike Hughes here. I'm with Mosaico. One of the things about DEMA is we get a lot of interesting jewelry companies and things like that that are here at DEMA, and then after a while they tend to expand, and this one doesn't have a website yet. Well, Mosaico makes several different seed products or animals. Different, there's like 8 or 9 different combinations of colors, as you can see. And here we have jellyfish down here, and the whale tails and turtles, and quite a variety. But they're here at the DEMA show, and this is one of the perks of being at the DEMA show. But if you want more information about their products, I'll just put the card here, and you can look online or call them directly if there's something that you saw here that meets your interest. Okay? ¿Está bien?
Está súper bien.
Okay.